So good morning. It is 9th of February, Monday, and today looks like we have a problem. So right now I use Oanda charts because FXDM charts, what I have been always using, for some reason stopped. This could be some trading view problem, their server problem. I don't know. Probably they're going to work really soon, but meantime, yeah, I'm using Oanda charts because it seems to have like really big data in there as well. I wouldn't, at that case I wouldn't trade based off some really no volume chart of eurusd. But let's see what we have. It's like Monday, usually we don't have anything great. We have some really far away order book from eurusd. I don't want to take them, but we can use them as a targets. But it seems like this target has been hit. Yeah, meanwhile, yeah, even if we would have started from midnight, yeah, maybe here we would have a trade. But yeah, basically no gaps in here. Trend is up, yeah, like every trend is up. Same here with, now I have now 2 eurusds. This should be my gbpusd 1. So here let me put gbpusd 1. Okay, gbpusd is bearish actually, so quite opposite. Do we have anything in here? Some gaps. There was our previous day high and low, high, above there. So yeah, gbp actually has something. It's so like funny to see that the eurusd is like completely bullish and gbpusd completely bearish. But yeah, that's okay for us still. So let's see. First, what happened? We already tapped this order block. Nice reaction. Swept out those highs. So daily highs are swept out, which gives us every reason to sell. So perfect case scenario, that would be, let me cover this whole week in here. So that would be our order block for sell. Do we have somewhere to buy? It looks like we already tapped in here. So this one is tapped, that one is tapped, here also tapped. Do we have some reasons to buy? Not really good. I don't know, I would say like this one would be the next case. So we have this sell opportunity only for gbpusd right now, what I see. Yeah, actually I had one idea, since I knew this Monday London session would be really slow. Then I yeah, first thing, I have back tested. I finalized my back test with OBs, 50-minute OBs. I back tested more than 2 years, and what I can say to you is that we are going to definitely make more rules in there. I see some of the some order blocks are better than another ones. Here is actually a really good example. So the reason why I added this previous day high and previous day low, because they're working like really well, and luckily we have this example in here. So this line in here, that was previous day high, or like Friday's high. Then you can see price just swept that and we moved to the lower, and in here technically it is order block in here, and it is like momentum is up, everything looks nice. But that's why I tested those final targets as well, or that's why I'm always say that you need delivery and target, and that was our target. Now the final target is hidden. Price can be up, like can move up more, but as of overall, pretty much like you know, everything what needed was hitted. So from here, let's see if we could have our trade. Yes, there was a signal. So in here, technically there was a signal for us, but we just kept going in here. And yeah, that's like really often the reason that there is no targets for price to go higher. Let me actually make those order blocks in here as well, and here let me include all of this area. So here are eurusd order blocks. But yeah, that's the case that with gbpusd today, perfect example, final target was hitted. Like let's just say that we started trading from midnight. This one, really nice order block, hitted, took off. Here same thing, really nice order block, tapped, took off. Where to the next order block, and it took off. Now we don't have any order blocks, but we had this clear target, previous day high, and we hit that one, which means that yeah, price did everything what needed. And yeah, from there, yeah, next order block we just went straight through it, and the reason is that final target is hit. Now from this week I start backtesting entry models, and I already see some really good entry models. That's like huge. We will change this like so much, not like, you know, the system will be the same, but just we will improve it, like order blocks. We include targets and deliveries, and I can honestly say that we can have like 80 to 90% win rate. I can also show you one really fast backtest what I did. Let me show you a replay. Let's see, do we have something going on? I guess we don't. I guess we really don't have. Yeah, best case scenario, what I would like to see, gbpusd tap into this high order block and we took off from there. That would be the perfect case scenario. eurusd good tap, like this middle one. You know what, I'm going to delete it because that wouldn't be that A plus, because it's just like middle one. Here that looks really nice. And let me change that one as well. Hi, let's make it like this. And actually let's make it as a line as well. Am I stupid? It's a little bit too early. Okay, it's under the style. No, like I want to have this, you know, as a line. Should be in here. No, okay, I don't know, it's Monday morning for me. But give me 1 minute. I see that my cam has frozen as well, so everything is slow right now. But yeah, here is really good opportunity here as well. Like I said, this middle one, it's not looking, you know, the greatest in here. So let's just focus on best setups. And since we're not trading 20 minutes anymore, but whole like this morning London session, then yeah, we have more trades, so it's not a problem. FX replay. So which one is this? Let's see over the dashboard. Let me check. Yeah, this one, gbpusd. I just tested last month, yesterday, how it will be with our improved entry model. Yeah, we have definitely less trades. That's the case. We have definitely less trades, but what we also have is high win rate. We only had one loss and like two losses because of like two trades per one setup. But yeah, definitely, if I show you the calendar, it looks really good. Risked 3k per trade, 100k, just testing account. Risked 3k per trade. Anyone else has the sound? Or let me just do you have the sound now? Can you hear me well? Okay, the Discord is always doing something. Was it like whole time no sound, or just like last minutes? Okay, then it's great. Then it's great. I don't know what Discord is doing, but yeah, I basically showed you. I just tested yesterday. Yesterday's last month. Let me just quickly check what the market is doing. Nothing. I checked out last month, or like January 2026, with improved OBs and probable new entry model. And yeah, those are the results. It was only one day, one trade or one setup what was really like bad, but otherwise it was like really good. And yeah, like risking 3k per trade, final result was 22%. Yeah, 22k in here. Could be improved as well. That's not the final. I start backtesting it, and I backtested back to 2024 probably, and I backtest the whole thing, but already I see that this 80 to 90% win rate, this will be our new reality. Yeah, like I said, we have less trades. You can see here 16 trades, which means total like 8 setups per like gbpusd. Probably eurusd had the same amount, but yeah, we have less setups. We have higher win rate. We focus more on more quality setups, like for example this order block in here. Yes, it is by definition order block and so on, but you can really see that this was the actual low. And yeah, if it's a bit complicated first, then I will do the live streams and you can trade with me, so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, I just see that there is a lot to improve for us, and like it's working already. If you use just 50-minute order blocks, real value indicator entries, it's already really good. But also when we can separate like good order blocks from bad order blocks, plus when we now see that okay, this is good order block, and now we can make like really good entries, that will be like whole another story. Also, what is in my mind, I'm not sure when or should we even try it, but probably will be another bears, because we have like the more we test, the more we final tune, the less setups we have, and it's like normal. It's really good, but just it gives us time to check out maybe another bears as well. So yeah, I don't know. For example, I haven't yet checked nothing, but I don't know if we had, let's say, JPY. Let's add it in here. Let's just check this out. For example, 50-minute. How is it working? Looks like working the same. Here is order block. We tapped and we took off. Here is order block. by new definition, it's not our order block, because you know there is like no break, but let's just say it is. Yeah, we still have it here. No order block, no order block. Yeah, but otherwise it looks like it's working well. You see 50-minute order block, tapped in here, we took off. Do we have some more setups? Here we just broke it. Here we didn't tap it. Here we tapped and we took off again. Here what we have, order block, tap, took off. So it's working with another pairs as well. Just the question is, I don't know if it's smart thing to do to add more pairs, because like eurusd, gbpusd, those pairs, like especially eurusd, I know really well. To add another pair, you know, we can start testing it, but right now I'm start testing you know, precise entries. By March we have definitely improved model. And maybe one more thing to show you is that yes, this backtest is nice, but I also just tested out US 30 new model, not new model, without martingale model. Same, like, you know, same rules, everything, so on, just without martingale. And I made this like prop firm sessions, just tried out how it is. And yeah, like, you know, here is also like, this is some FX replay bug. I have actually like trade running. If I show you, I'll actually show you. If I go in here, trade is actually this past, we have like 10% profit. Just the case is that this trade is open, I can't close it. So like, you know, it shows that my balance is 7k, but actually here is this, you know, and I can't close it. So that's why it shows 7k. But yeah, I just randomly tested some random dates, and yeah, like 3 trades only. Yeah, everything passed, because now we don't have to use such a low, you know, risk, like like starting lot from right now it's 2.22, but now we can, if we have like proper stop loss and we don't martingale it, we can use proper risk as well. So that will be improved during I guess during like March. So this month I focused on eurusd, gbpusd. During March I will backtest this one. Probably I will do some live backtest sessions and so on, so you can see how I backtested, which parts specifically, and so on. And yeah, I did actually 2 sessions, but yeah, they were pretty much the same. Here is also like 107k, but actually it is passed. Here was more trades, 8 trades, still the same results, 100% win rate. There won't be 100% win rate, I can tell you. It was just maybe some good times, but you can see if you risk properly. I think I used risk like 3%. No, less than 3%. I think 2%. Yeah, 2% risk. It only took like 4 days. That's it. Last backtest took only 2 days, so this took only like 4 days, and yeah, that's all you need. Let's get back to the charts. Literally, it seems like we don't have anything interesting. I put my alert in here. That sell I really would like to have, so I put the alert in here. If we get into this level, I would definitely looking for sell, and I guess I put alert in here as well. I would buy eurusd from here. So if one of them will get triggered within 1 hour and 20 minutes, then we will have a trade. If not, then yeah, we have no trades Monday. but I think that's okay, because like most of the Mondays we don't have trades. Mondays are just like moving slowly. But yeah, I think that will be it for today. Maybe a bit messy, because I'm also like try to you know, improve a lot, and I see like places where we can improve a lot. And in 2 months we will have like already, probably in a few weeks, maybe even by the end of this week, or like during next week, we already have new entry model for eurusd gbpusd, what I have shown you, this 50% entry. We wait for market structure shift, then we will go in, and we will have new US 30 model, I guess, as well, because it's really cool. It doesn't mean that this martingale model doesn't work. It's really good. I will still show you those things, and if you use it, it's, like I said, it's really good. Just yeah, I think it's maybe easier to use it without martingale, because it's really profitable. Like I showed you, like I tested like 2 really random weeks, and just pass it back to back within 1 week with no losses, basically. So yeah, this system what we have, this overall strategy, really good, really good, with eurusd, or like London session and New York session. But yeah, let's keep improving it, and we will improve it a lot. So yeah, I think that will be it from my side. So we will see you later with New York session, and tomorrow with London session as well. So take care, everyone. See you. Bye bye.